1. Boil water in your enamel cookware. When you are cleaning a stain from inside your enamel-glazed pot or pan, you can speed up the process by boiling water in the pan. You only need enough water to cover the surface covered with the stain and allow for evaporation when boiling. This method works well on food stains, but is not especially effective on rust. This method eliminates the need for an overnight soak. 2. Add baking soda to the boiling water. Once the water comes to a boil, add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Using a wooden spoon, thoroughly mix the baking soda in water until it is evenly dispersed. Simmer the mixture for a few minutes. Reduce the heat to a lower setting and allow the baking soda mixture to simmer in the cookware for several minutes. After it is simmered for a few minutes, turn off the heat. Baking soda is mildly abrasive, but only enough to help scrape away the stain. It is safe to use on your enamel cookware. 3. Scrape the cookware with a wooden spoon. Scrape the surface of your cookware with a wooden spoon to remove the stains. They should come up easily with little effort. It is important to use a wooden spoon. Metal spoons can scratch the enamel surface and cause rust stains where the cast iron is exposed in the cracks. A wooden spoon with a flat edge will make scraping easier. 4. Scrub salt and lemon juice into the stain. Use as much table salt as needed to cover the stain in your enamel. Cut a lemon in half and squeeze the juice over the salt to soak it into the stain. Continue squeezing lemon juice until you have covered all of the salt and made a paste over the stain. Scrub the area of the stain. Use a sponge or cloth to scrub the salt and lemon juice mixture into the area of the stain. Watch to see if the stain appears to be coming out. 5. Rinse the surface with warm water. Once the stain begins lifting, rinse the area with warm water. Wipe away any remaining residue using a clean cloth, then dry the surface with a clean, dry towel. 6. Allow the mixture to sit for tough stains. If the stain persists, add more salt and lemon to create a paste on top of the stain. Let it sit for 1 hour. Squeeze more lemon juice over the paste and scrub the stain with a sponge or cloth until it is removed. Rinse the entire area with warm water and wipe it with a clean cloth. If you are cleaning a porcelain enamel-covered cast iron bathtub and cannot get the stains out, you can have the tub reglazed by a professional.